An FIR was filed at different police stations against 25 TSF members on account of calling a strike on the last 28th of August on the year 2023. And in view of this, on Thursday, TSF leader went at Bishalgarh court and gave a bail to 4 TSF members. On the last 28th of August on the year 2023, TSF called a strike demanding for a manuscript, and as such, an FIR was filed at different police stations. Following this, an FIR was filed at different police stations against 25 TSF members on account of calling a strike. And in view of this, on Thursday, TSF leader went at Bishalgarh court and gave a bail to 4 TSF members. Former GS of TSF, John Deverma, and others were present. Later speaking with the media, former GS of TSF, John Deverma, said that they just protested against the rights of Tripura people and they did not do any crime.
Abon bagai sing Chini orang koto ma phakias, orang Chini bisung koto charjona, ni bumui case kelajak, kaya makan long travel kelajak, kaya makan agak lau kelajak. Singapore sana yomong kha, jeta sing Roman script koboran introduce kaya bagai, asal bosor pending tomani, more than 50 years, asal kakha. Kini sing tam nakor tabuk, orang drone khatini dopan mai coba khatini wo, sini TSF ni adong rock. Ni sakwa case rumani ama belai ke chaya sing condemn klayo government of Tripura jesan mechanism puni use klaida naidi sini Khorang suppress klaida naidi kintu TSF asui tonglak haino hai sing chobao thangnai je mansak samne mu case nai redi hazar borok ongkhnai hazar boroni mugno case likuni ge sing kiriya tobo sing sini man thaino sing runor nai ini cover subject tong choli tong cover subject board exam Tripura board to Amo Bangla script by question paper project. Sing ama kena andron buskang khaipinai. Khoro busumi mungwini nor case nai Tripura government case na musung ruthung. Borok amo singno je sini voice no suppress klai nai bani. Klai manglak hai chikong. Sini Khorang no jeful case second klai nai suppress klai nai dabo kun no sing mali naglak. Je man sang no case na tong rudui sing amoni kiriya. Tabo case sing amon sanai government of Tripura Norok, just kepada sing government dis semua orang tong lang lain, je Roman script by question paper चालू klai nai, hai nai bisnis sibing no, question paper set pelajaran langsung. Abang sini message tong nai, abang sini jod Tripura di bawah Khorang no takut Khorang kau jamu tunggu. Coba sing jod thansa mang nai, tini dua pani bagi si singor kemana sini TSF na dong rok, tini orang sini TSF ni president, TSF ni vice president. Tai TSF ni Central Organizing Secretary, tai Division ni leader orang ni bumui case raja karo tini hanmain sangra ma phaikia, sini of case was tini bail nana bai ma phaikia, bumuni bai bail nana bagi, am bagi ni sung koi nai, jota takku bukurok Tripura ni, sung bai chawau thanda tongdi, logiri sung no, sung buskang tai babu thanai sini chawano sung muthaiya, chawak klai thanai sung, porikha pai mani yaglon sung chawak tai ba ongkhanai, borok khora busini mui case riman ruthung. Jesa sin Khorang suppress klai di Singapore no kiriya suppress klai manglak
nin sinemo
ang John Deverma TSF ni vice president.
He further said that even if various cases are filed against them, but they will not be able to stop TSF and they will march for more greater movement for the people in the coming days. Reported by Ashish from Bishalgarh, Chini Khorang.